Hi guys, it's Roya. Consequences of man, spirit of civilization, progressive humanity. Did you know that there is genocide against Kurds at this time? This month in Afrin, many Kurds are expelled for their identity. Many Kurds are arrested and some are killed. Did you know that 7 Kurds from one family were killed by Turkish racists in Konya, in Turkey, last month just because of their Kurdish identity? Did you know that 3,000 of our Yazidi women and girls are still in the hands of Daesh? Did you know that in Iran, Turkish racists attacked Kurdish civilians in the city of Neksat and killed 3 of them and wounded 5 others? How long will you stay silent against this operation? Today the Kurds need your support. Support the Kurds.